Hi friends! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to turn simple numbers into cute and easy drawings, step by step. Step 1. Let's start with number 1. Just draw a straight line. Turn into a candle. Next is number 2. Number 2 is now a graceful swan swimming in the water. Next is number 3. It looks like two circles stuck together. Add a body in the middle, two antennae on top, and colorful wings. Yay! You've made a beautiful butterfly. Time for number 4. Draw a straight line down, then across, and a diagonal line. Turn it into a boat. Let's finish with number 5. Turn number 5 into a cute apple. Time to color it. Use any bright colors you like. Red, yellow, green, purple. Subscribe for more fun art videos.